Today I'm going to walk through on how to edit a template. A lot of photographers out there that are just starting out and are not really sure how templates work and how they can edit the templates for their clients. So when you purchase a template, like there's several websites that will allow you to purchase templates for like save the dates, thank you cards, a bunch of different products. So let's just get started here. There are this one here is just a very simple 5x7 flat card, save the date. And just so you know too, whenever you purchase any type of template for save the dates and cards and different products, they'll usually tell you what fonts they used, but if you don't already have them on your system, you might have to search for them online and purchase them, or you can just change the font and use whatever font you'd like. But when you're picking the template, you might already like the way it's set up and want to use the fonts that they use. So right here, this is just a 5x7 flat card, front and back. So let's go into Photoshop and I'll show you how you can edit that. So right here is the back of the 5x7 thank you card. So like I said before, if you have the fonts on your system, you can just go to your text, highlight the text you want to change, go back to the text and highlight the next one. It's really simple. You just, if you're using the same text that they have on the template, it's really easy to change. So say if they had a website, we'll change that. Okay, now this card has 4 images, so I'm going to go and find 4 images I want to replace them with. So you also, whenever you're doing your card, you want to make sure that the images that you're adding to it are not like web ready images, that they're actually images that you would use to print your pictures. So you want to use like high resolution images. So here I'm just going to grab some images. And if you're on a Mac, I'm not really sure about the PC, but you can just click and drag the high resolution image to your Photoshop file. Once it's in there, then you can just hold down your shift and then click the corner and drag it in to make it smaller, and then we'll place. Then you can just drag your image to wherever you like, and I'm going to use it for this first placement. Now I'm going to go over to my layers, and I see it dropped it all the way down here at the bottom. Now this is the first shape, which is all the way up here, and you can see it has a little arrow there. That is the clipping mask, because we want that photo to be inside this shape. So we go down and click that image that we dropped in here, just drag it all the way to the top, and I usually put it right below that image. You can see it as like a dark line. So drag it right below that image, and now all you have to do is turn off the top layer. So now all we have to do is keep going and grab another image. Click and drag. Resize. Shift and click the corner. Place. And then drag that image to the second shape. Now if you accidentally drag it above that image, you'll see it's not attached to that shape. So you're going to want to actually go back over to your layers and just click and drag it to below the other one. Or you can just right click and go down to create clipping mask. So now it's in there. And then you can just move it around to wherever you like. Alright, so let's grab another image. Let's see. All right. Resize it. Place, and then drag it to the third shape and turn off the top image there, and we'll move that up just a little bit. Drag it to the next shape. So now you're done with the back of the card. So then you're going to go to File, Save As, and choose JPEG. Click on Save, and then I usually just keep it at quality of 10, unless the printing company that you're using specifies like what quality they want you to use it at, but I usually stick with 12 and then hit OK. So that's done and ready to upload to your printing company. And the same thing with the front. We can go ahead and grab an image, place it, move it to the top, and I'll just do that just to show you again. Right click, create clipping mask. Now it's inside that shape. And we'll go with the text tool, change these again. Change your date to whatever date they're getting married, and then position that. Make sure, if you move any of the text or anything, make sure that it is inside these lines here, because depending on your template, but like right here, this is actually where the company will cut off for the print. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks for watching.